Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue learning JavaScript, and today we will learn about string methods in JavaScript. String methods help us to work with text. Let's get started. First, let's create some string. Well, we can use any variable, but I'll be use let create string. And also add some text. We can write hello world and let's print our string using console log. Okay, here's our string, and first property names length. This property tells us how many characters are in a string. Let's try. We can add point and add length. Okay, let's look at the window. Okay, like you see, we got a number and it's number 14. It means that our string has 13 characters. Okay. In the next method names toUpperCase. Thanks to this method we can we can convert all characters in a string to uppercase. Let's try. Add our method to uppercase. Like you see, all our characters converted into uppercase. Okay, but we also have lowercase. It works the same, but now all our characters convert in lowercase. Okay, like you see, it's work. And the next method is charAt. This method returns a character at a specified position. Let's try. We can add one argument, numbers, position, our chart. Let's try 4. Okay, like you see, we got 4 chart, but you must remember that it works like array and our string chart start with 0. Okay, next method names indexOf. Thanks to this method, we can return the position of the first occurrence of a specified text in a string. Let's try to get word. Copy this text and paste here. Okay, like you see, we got 7 because our text started with 7 indexed, but if we add word and this word doesn't have in our text, we'll get -1, and it's very useful because sometimes this method thanks to create search. Okay, let's go to the next property. Next property names slice. And this property gets 2 arguments. This method extracts a part of a string and returns it as a new string. Let's try. We can start with 0 and end with 5. And now we get hello because we started with 0 indexed and finished with 5 indexed. Okay, next method names is replace. This method specifies value with another value in a string. Let's try to change our word into JavaScript. Okay, like you see, our string is changed and now we get hello JavaScript. Okay, next very popular string method names split. This method splits a string into an array of subscribes. Let's try. like you see, we got array with our 2 words, but we also can get all charts. Okay, these are some common string methods in JavaScript. Practice them to get better at working with string. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video.